I'm just gonna play. Oh, appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much. All right, I'm just. Hello. All right. Well, how are we doing today, guys? That's good. If you don't mind, I'm recording. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Yes. All right.
Somebody said MySpace.
Whose birthday today? Get 2 birthdays? Sweet. Happy birthday, ladies. All right. You're welcome. All righty. Who's first time here? You all been here before? You did? Oh, yeah, I remember you. First time for you? Oh, it's okay. It's my first time too. It will be awesome. Let's do this. Is that okay if I do a big fire? I got a hairspray on you. You got to lean back a little bit, okay? All right, get ready. Okay. That's why I remind you first, you know? All right, get ready. Okay, 1, 2, and hurry! Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I thought you were ready. I was too excited. Okay. There you go, guys. Boop, boop. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. Woo. Oh yeah. And thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, get back a little bit. Watch your hair and your eyebrows. I got your smiley face. Find a hole. Ah! There you go. Is that warm now?
Yeah, warm now.
Feels good. Nice. All right. Vegetables for you all right here. I got a Japanese spaghetti for gentlemen right here. I'll take it. Spicy crunchy. Yep. All right. Alright, now get the volcano right here for you guys, alright? Alright, since we got 2 birthdays today, we're gonna sing happy birthday, okay? Yep. Y'all wanna sing? Alright, ladies, what's your name? Taylor. How'd you forget? Alright, sweet. Alright, we got 2 birthdays. So, Taylor and Miss who? Miss Janice. Alright, everybody. Alright, hold on. 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. And alright, tell her happy birthday to you. Alright, thank you. Okay, you want to keep it? No? Okay. So you wanted a cupcake. Alright. And does everybody like vegetables tonight? Y'all like vegetables? Everybody? Awesome. Alright guys, got you guys an egg roll right here. Oh yeah. Rolling. There we go guys. Woohoo! Alright. And I'll take that one for me. Alrighty. There you go, guys. We got baby sliding chicken right here for you guys, alright? Say yippee! Another one. Birthday girl, say yippee! Alright. Perfect. Alright, this is a garlic butter. Salt, pepper. Happy birthday. Why, you don't like it spicy? All right. Who don't like fried rice? Eggs. You don't like? Oh, not the eggs. Oh, okay. I got the Japanese Dr. Pepper here too. Look. Oh yeah. Now, you guys get a birthday cake already? Birthday cake? You did? All right, Miss Janice, you know it? All right. Alright, no worries. Here's the birthday cake for you, man. Yeah, we gotta share with everybody, alright? There you go. Happy birthday, ladies. Oh, love you long time. Alright. Alright, and how you like the fillet today, ma'am? Got fillet for you? Medium. And medium as well. Thank you. What about the chicken? Medium is fine? Yeah. Good. Alright. Alright guys, let me start with you all with the fried rice. There you go. Alright, there you go, ma'am. I'll start with you. You're welcome. Alright, you guys be very careful. It's really hot right now. Take your time, yeah? Make sure. Alright, Miss Taylor, this is for you. You're welcome. Alright, Miss Janice, this is for you. Alright, appreciate you, sir. come on. You're not gonna take that one. There you go, ma'am. You're welcome. Alright, appreciate you, ma'am. You're very welcome. Alright, ladies, happy birthday. A little bit more for you. Brother, you want a little bit of fried rice? No, you good? Alright, a little bit more, ma'am. Yeah, for you too. How about you, sir? Would you like some more? Alright, you're welcome. Breakfast tomorrow, guys, okay? Absolutely. Alright, you can put the yum yum sauce on it if you guys like the yum yum sauce. Alright, brother, get your Japanese spaghetti for you. Alright. Oh yeah. I just like to call that Japanese spaghetti. Very hot, buddy. Be careful. Oh, that's fine. Why? She like it?
She wants it, yeah.
Sure. That's okay. Soy sauce. I'll find somebody for you. You're welcome. Yeah, I don't have bacon today, so just the egg, okay? Alright, alright. Alright guys, get chicken, scallop, shrimp, and the filet medium. Get scallops. All right. Alright guys, I got your vegetables coming up next. What about you? You like vegetables, man? All of it. Perfect. Alright. Perfect. Alright. Might be really hot right now, guys. Be very careful, yeah? Alright. And how about you, sir? You like some vegetables? Alright, appreciate you, sir. Thank you. Alright, miss. This is for you. They're very hot. Birthday girl, tell her you want some. What do you like? Give it to her. A little bit. No? How about you, buddy? You want some too? Just a little bit. Alright, looks good. Alright, appreciate you, my friend. Alright. Sir, how about you, sir? You like some vegetables? Alright. You can put the ginger sauce on it. It's good too. Alright. This is for you. Absolutely. Would like some extra vegetables? You like vegetables? How about you, man? A little bit more for you. Alright, enjoy. For the birthday girl, happy birthday, man. Would you like a little bit more, sir? And take it home, breakfast tomorrow too. Alright, perfect. There you go. Would you like some more yum yum sauce, ginger sauce, guys? Yum yum sauce all over your plate. Oh yeah, I can do that. There you go, mama son. Put a little extra. It's okay, you're not driving tonight, alright? I'll get you a little extra for you. Both yum yum sauce. Oh, there you go. You got it. Say, I know you like it. I know you want it. Perfect. Would you like some more? Ginger sauce? Yeah. There you go, man. Yeah, you're welcome. Alright, does everything looks good, guys? Yeah. That's good. Would you like some more yum yum sauce for you, bud? You good for now? You good? Alright. Alright guys, it's gonna be a big fire again. I want you to lean back a little bit one more time, guys, okay? Everybody, fire in the hole. Oh yeah. You can sing it. That this grill is on fire. Alright. Alright, perfect. Alright, got the lemon juice right here. right, fried rice, noodles good. All right. All right, get the soy sauce. You get cold? I know. Sometimes it's freezing in here. There you go, man. We got the filet medium for you. You're welcome. Get a filet medium for him as well. We'll do more yum yum sauce for you, man.
Thank you.
Absolutely. There you go, buddy. The chicken is almost done, yeah? Alright, teriyaki sauce. Alright, and I got the scallops. Gotta be very careful with the sauce, it's super hot, yeah? Alright, coming up next, I got the shrimps ready. Alright. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you. Alright, ma'am, guys. You're very welcome. Alright, sir, got that shrimp for you as well, yeah? Enjoy. Alright. How are we doing so far? Y'all good? You guys good? Perfect. Alright, how about we play a little bit? You guys want to try catch a chicken in your mouth? Alright, let's do it. Let's start with the birthday girls, okay? No, come on, it's your birthday. One, well, just one. You can do it. No, don't worry. Well, you got a napkin on you, you can cover yourself too, it's okay. Alright, here we go. Open your mouth. No, I'm kidding, no. I'm kidding, no. I'll do it later, okay? I'm just gonna let it cool off a little bit, alright? Wow, you never done this before? You should do it, it's good. You good? Alright, teriyaki sauce. Alright, how's the filet, guys? Filet's good? I like the filet. Teriyaki sauce. Do you like teriyaki sauce? You don't know it's sweet? Yeah. It's like a Japanese barbecue sauce. Good. Alright, just want to make sure chicken is really done, guys, okay? We don't want that salmonella chicken for you guys. Oh no, especially on your birthday, nope. Don't do that. Okay, good. Alright guys, chicken's ready. There you go, miss. I'll start with you.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright. You got it. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Very hot, okay? Oh, one more here, buddy. Thank you. There you go, sir. Got chicken for you.
Very good.
Ah, thank you so much. You're very welcome. Happy birthday. Last piece. Alright, did you guys get everything tonight? Y'all good? Very good. More yum yum sauce. All right. There you go, sir. Last shot? No? All right, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit and after that we play, guys, okay? All right. Nobody wants it, right? No? Okay. Why, too early? It's Japanese holy water. No worries.
He likes it.
Ooh. All right. You tried the chicken yet? You good? You like it? Perfect. Thank you. All right, let's do this, guys. Oh yeah. Everybody get ready. Who's gonna go first? All right. Ah, it's your birthday. Come on. You can do it. 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 Taylor, you can do it. All right. Open your mouth. Woo-hoo. Oh, 1, 2, and yes. Ah! Was close. Come on, one more time. Happy birthday. Come on. Do it. Okay, let birthday go. Okay, next. There you go, Mama San. Open your mouth. 1, 2, and oh! She got it. All right, who's next? Who's next? Ma'am, what about you? Oh, yes. Come on, you can do it. 1, 2, and yes. Oh! See? That count. That's okay. All right, sir. How about you, sir? That's why he's eating really fast. I'm gonna eat it now. Come on, buddy. How about you, buddy? All right, 1, 2, and oh, come on. You're good. You wanna try it again? Tyler? No? All right. What about you, sir? No? He looked down. Nope. Don't pick on me. All right. What about you? Okay. There we go. All right. There you go, miss. You wanna do it? Oh, let her go first. All right. There you go. Okay. 1, 2, and sweet. Oh, that's close. Come on. Here. One more time. All right. She got it this time. All right. What about you? All right. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. She got this one. Oh, that's a good one. Come on. She got it. A little closer. Come on. You can do it. Yo. You can do it. More chicken. All right, you guys enjoy your meals, guys. Okay.
Refill me some.
Absolutely, yeah. I'm just gonna play. Oh, appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much. All right, I'm just gonna play a little bit. It's a special for the birthdays, all right? You say you want more yum yum sauce? Okay, cool. It's okay. She's not driving tonight, right? Oh, this should play a little bit. What is it? Yeah. There you go. Just gonna put it right here. You're welcome. Don't try this at home, guys, okay? All right, let's play a little bit. Oh, there you go. Woohoo! All right. There you go, guys. Woo-hoo! Aha. All right. Aha. Yoo-hoo! All right. All right. Be ready, ladies. It's your birthday. Blow this out, okay? There you go. Come on. I'll hold it. You hold. Come on. Blow it out. Blow it out. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yeah. You got it. Oh, keep going. Come on. One more time. Do it. All right. Oh, yeah. There you go. Good job, guys. All right. You guys have fun, guys, okay? You're welcome. Thank you all again. All right, don't try that at home, okay? It's dangerous. You can try the egg, but not this one. All right. Alright, can I get you anything before I leave, guys? Yeah, good. Perfect. Cigar boxes. Getting full, eh? Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna post it on my story.
Screenshot it. I didn't even think about it.
I'm always important. Send it to TikTok and I'll send it to her.
Alright, guys. Thank you guys very much. You all guys have a good night, guys. Alright? Have a good weekend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you tomorrow. I'm kidding.